Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into Bitcoin and Ethereum. The Nasdaq got hammered yesterday. Google down 10%. Tesla down another 4%. If you sold half of your Tesla, we should have sold everything actually, not just half of our Tesla. It would have been smart to sell all the tech stocks and be rebuying it down after this corrective wave. But right now the market is closed, so I'm going to do Bitcoin and Ethereum, and in 12 hours I'll do tech stocks, Tesla and Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and we made massive gains in crypto, which is beautiful. Congratulations to all of you. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And it's just a massacre in the Nasdaq. 9% down on Google, 9.6% in one day, wiping $200 billion from the market. Unity 6%, Intel 5%, TSM 4%, Meta 4%. This was a massacre. 2.4% on the Nasdaq. Tesla 1.8%, just destroyed. Bitcoin 34,700. It broke out. So in the long term, we've been following Bitcoin on this chart, this pattern here, for 1 year. This is a rising wedge. This pattern here is a rising wedge. Builds pressure and then breaks to the downside. But you can see that we've broken out of this rising wedge and we're holding above it, everyone. So that means our target is the base of the rising wedge. This distance here, that's the distance of the target. So this is the target that I have for Bitcoin, 46,762. Now we're still in this first impulse wave. I don't think we've had this second corrective wave, and I think now we're going to hold this trend line. If we do decide to come down, at least it will hold. I think we'll hold this trend line. But the first wave, I don't know if it's finished yet. We've got resistance at 35,800. We've got resistance at 40,900. Stochastic is still heading up. That's what we're going to monitor now. To see, monthly it's overbought now. Weekly it is overbought, heading down a little bit. Daily overbought, heading down. Double top could be overheating here. 4 hourly over midway. Hourly oversold. So Bitcoin seems to be over, but again, we're still in this first impulse wave. Volume picking up, confirming this breakout. Where I would go long is still directly from this bull flag. I would still take this bull flag, where the trades from yesterday and the day before and all the ones from the last weeks are in profit. If you haven't taken a trade yet, I would open a trade still targeting this bull flag breakout for the $40,000 area. So I'd open it from major support, which will now be this area here. Stop loss just underneath. Major support, stop loss just underneath. And take profit at 40. You can ride it all the way, but I think there'll be a corrective wave at 40,000. But this is the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening at 33,511. Stop loss 33,072. And take profit at 46,943. That's the trade I would take. 30 risk to reward ratio. It's risking $439 to make $13,428 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $130,000. With 100x leverage, $1.3 million. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, which is amazing. Where else can you risk $439 to make $13,428 without leverage? That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Again, opening 33,500, stop loss 33,072, take profit 46,939, which is beautiful. And I'm going to show you my trades, and then Ethereum. My trades are still active as well. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, under the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit using this link. You get $30,000 worth of bonuses when you trade using this link. Sign up with OKX and you get up to $70,000 in prizes, and that $70,000 in prizes is up until 31st of October. So you have only a few days left to claim that $70,000 of prizes from OKX. And take the master course where you learn to use the bots, set up charts, etc. And join us in Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. My Bitcoin trade is now $10,372 in the profits, and this is after my other Bitcoin trade closed from before the pump. We had that big, it hit my take profits, so it made $14,000, and then that trade opened, now $10,000, 70%. This is a big trade, $233,000 trade, 7 Bitcoin. In this account I have 367,710. It's up around $3,400 yesterday, this account, which is beautiful. 367,000. I've got in here USDT 82,000, Bitcoin 72,000, Doge. I've got Doge 34,000, and Doge pumped another 3% yesterday. Uniswap I've got 33,000, down 3%. I'm going to stack Uniswap, buying $1,000 worth of Uniswap at the current price. FXS 25,000, up 4% yesterday. MCRT down 2%, around 24,000. That's what I'm holding. And my Bitcoin trade again 10,500, and this account $368,021 USD, which is about 10.5 Bitcoin. Let's see if it fluctuates. 368,023. Not much movements right now in volume. That's my updates in the market. Let's jump into Ethereum. And again, in the next video, I'm going to do the tech stock and the Nasdaq because it's very important. We suffered a massive drop. Ooh, Ethereum is bull flagging as well, everyone. Bull flag on Ethereum at resistance. Big resistance here on Ethereum. This is a major area of resistance. I wouldn't take a long from this resistance here in Ethereum because it's just too much. You can see here going back, like, this is a big area of resistance on Ethereum we're on now. You can see going back to 2021, massive area of resistance. Here, massive area of resistance, all here. And now Ethereum is at this resistance at 1793. So do expect a pullback. It won't be bad. I don't think there'll be much of a pullback. This is where I would try to catch this long on Ethereum. If you took the long from Ethereum from the 4th to 5th wave, congratulations. The target is still 2,264. This trade on Ethereum, I would take 1677 opening on a bit of a pullback. Stop loss 1632. Take profit 2264. Risk toward 13 times. That's my updates on the markets, guys. Again, everything down below. Sign up to Bybit using that link. $30,000 bonus. OKX up to $70,000 in prizes using that link. And take the course to fully understand what I'm doing, the crypto master course. And again, congratulations, all of you, on the Bitcoin pump. Now we got to be careful. We bought Google, Tesla, TSM, and Facebook at the beginning of the year, and they're up hundreds of percent. And now it's pulling back the tech stocks, already down 10% yesterday, pretty much across those tech stocks. So we're going to be very careful to see if this pullback is going to be devastating. In the next video, in 12 hours, I'm going to do the Nasdaq and the tech stocks. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. If you're skeptical, learn what I'm doing. Take the crypto master course, the stock guru master course, trade with the other traders. And what's interesting, these buyers on Bitcoin, they're not retail. This was institutions buying Bitcoin, which is very, very important. I'm not seeing the retail volume coming. I can see your volumes on these exchanges when you're trading under my groups, my trading groups on Bybit, on OKX. You join out the guru groups, and I can see the volume. It's not the retail that's buying Bitcoin right now. It's institutions. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.